So here's the worst case, and I want to make sure this is perfectly clear. Is that very much like a red-black tree, you might have several cases kind of happen to each other in a row. Meaning you did case 1, you're almost complete with case 1, and now you have a new situation where you're about to delete a node that may reflect on case 2 or case 3. And then you got to do that case to finish the whole darn thing. So be very careful that these cases, you might need more than one case to really finish a tree. So be very, very careful about that. So in this example, we're going to delete a key that's a leaf. There's going to be an underflow, and we're going to steal from the bigger sibling, which is actually rather complicated coding-wise, but this is mostly going to be done for you. But you have, well, frankly, it's easy to see. Let's put it that way. So our target in this one is going to be key value of 1. So we'll search for it first, we'll find it, we'll go ahead and delete it, but we'll also notice that, hey, wait a minute, there's an issue here because we should have at least another link because it's got to be minimum. Okay, we have at least minimum there. We can't have a node that's by itself. And this is not a leaf, so we got to make sure it's got all of its links to nodes set up. So what I'm frankly going to do is I'm going to swap 2 and 3 and kind of almost do a rotation. So you'll see that we'll promote 3 and drop 2. And again, just look at this shell that I'm kind of highlighting here with my hand here. Is that notice that's a B tree, isn't it? In the to the left is less, to the right is greater, and middle's kind of up promoted. Okay, so that works out just fine, and where we end up having. So we need to do some type of promotion of our sibling, then we go ahead and do the rotation and drop down our new node to the left hand side to make sure that we push the parent actually down 1. Go figure. So that looks very similar to a red-black tree rotation because really it actually is. But anyway, that's how we're going to be able to do if we have case number 3.